Join me as I dive into the wild world of the stock market and try to figure out what's driving the trends today. Staying informed about daily stock market movements is crucial for investors, as it helps them make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. In today's fast-paced market, it's more important than ever to stay up to date with the latest news and trends. We've got a lot to cover today, with volatility being a major theme in the market right now. Economic indicators are all over the place, and specific news events are impacting stocks in a big way. The question on everyone's mind is, what's driving this uncertainty? Is it the ongoing trade tensions, or perhaps the latest earnings reports? Whatever the cause, one thing is for sure, it's making for a very interesting market. Another major challenge investors are facing is the sheer amount of information out there. It's easy to get caught up in the noise and lose sight of what's really important. That's why it's essential to stay focused on the key metrics and trends that are shaping the market. Speaking of which, let's take a closer look at today's market data. The tech sector is getting a lot of attention right now, with some major players making big moves. We've got Nvidia up over 5% after a strong earnings report, while Amazon is down over 2% as investors digest the latest news on its cloud computing business. The energy sector is also on the move, with oil prices surging after a surprise drop in inventories. When we dig a little deeper, we can see that the real story today is the jobs report. The numbers came in stronger than expected, which has got the market bulls excited. The question is, will this momentum hold, or is it just a temporary bounce? One thing is for sure, today's market is all about the jobs report. The strong numbers have got investors feeling optimistic, and it's driving a lot of the moves we're seeing today. But don't count your chickens just yet, we've still got a long way to go before the day is out. Let's break it down even further. The jobs report is having a ripple effect across the entire market, with some stocks getting a big boost while others are getting dragged down. It's a great example of how one key data point can shape the entire market narrative. In today's market, it's more important than ever to stay nimble and adapt to changing conditions. That's why it's essential to stay informed and up to date with the latest news and trends. So there you have it, folks, that's what's driving the stock market today. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's always a good idea to stay informed and do your own research. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, be sure to check out some of our previous videos for more insights on market trends and analysis.